Please clean the machine regularly. Turn off the power switch and disconnect it from the power supply for the safety reason. Raise the presser foot lifter. Open the looper cover by sliding it to the right. Remove the presser foot and needles. Remove the set screw. Raise the presser foot lifter to the extra lifted position and remove the needle plate. Clean the feed dogs with the lint brush. Pull the looper release knob. Clean the looper and surrounding area with the lint brush. Push the looper back to the original position. Raise the presser foot lifter to the extra lifted position and replace the needle plate. Turn the hand, close the looper cover and attach needles and presser foot.